How to download Binance? Are you guys facing issues to download Binance application on your Android devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To download Binance on your Android device, first of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, now just simply tap on search bar and search for Binance application. After search for Binance, click on the icon where you can see this option for Binance Buy Crypto and Bitcoin. Tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to see this option for install. Just simply tap on install. As soon as you click on install, your app will start to download. It will take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So as you guys can see, it's downloading on our Android device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.